truSculpt fleX versus EMSculpt. Working out is great, but the actual physical motion can now be replicated with technology. The EMSculpt. This device delivers electromagnetic energy to muscles, causing them to contract supramaximally. Pros: patients can lose up to 20% in fat and gain 15% in muscle mass. It has no side effects or downtime. Cons: there is no specific focal point, so it is less effective at targeting muscle fibers. The truSculpt fleX. This device uses electromuscular energy to specifically target muscles. Up to 8 muscle groups can be targeted. It was explicitly designed to help increase muscle mass. Pros: it allows for multi-directional stimulation, which gives a more authentic replication of weight training. Up to 8 areas can be treated in a single session, and results are sustained for 3 months. Cons: the truSculpt fleX is a newer machine, which means it can be harder to find a provider.